So what I'm deciding to do is make a cell phone stand here. It's going to kind of have that appearance to it. I saw some of those, but I'm going to take and put my name here, and I'm going to cut. So I'm going to make this the length of my name. I'm going to put Mr. up here as the back. So I'm going to narrow that down too, to kind of end up with this being angled and this being kind of a block. So I kind of looked back at it, drew this sketch out right here. Got to have this sketch, and I'm going to extrude it. The length of that extrusion has to be the length of the name over here. Okay, so there's my sketch. Have to measure the cell phone for this gap right here. And we're going to have to cut this to the width of Mr. for up here. And then have to do some research. So I started with this, and I worked back to this, and now I'm going to come to this one. And this is going to be a little bit straighter. So I got my cell phone stand on there. I blew this up. So this, I'm going to have a 1/4 inch wide. The height I have to figure out, because if I get too high here, it's going to block some of my cell phone viewing. But if I get too low, it won't catch the edge. So I'm going to have to figure that out when I set my phone up. I'm just going to have to play with my actual phone, kind of set it on the edge and figure it out. This gap here, I got to measure from my phone as well. So I have to do a little bit of measurement there. Up here, I got to be half of this phone height. So if I don't go up halfway, if I just go low here, this piece is going to not be heavy enough, and it'll just kind of tip over. So this phone will sit on here and just go bloop. So now I need to get up half the phone, so then I have enough weight to balance this out. So this is what we want our sketches or ideas to be.